This keyboard promises a smooth, responsive gaming experience and increased efficiency for work. But can it really deliver on both fronts? Let's dive in. The NEWNAN mechanical keyboard, specifically the red switch variant in black, aims to be the perfect companion for both PC gamers and dedicated typists. It boasts Cherry MX switches, which are a well-respected name in the mechanical keyboard world, and PBT keycaps, known for their durability and resistance to shine. One of the standout features highlighted is its ergonomic design. The keycap sculpting and the overall keyboard shelf are designed to keep your fingers and wrists in a comfortable position, which is a huge plus for those long typing sessions or intense gaming marathons. With dimensions of 357.5 by 132.5 by 24.5 millimeters, it's a fairly compact board, which can be great for saving desk space. The keyboard also supports NKRO, or N-key rollover, meaning it can register multiple key presses simultaneously. This is crucial for gaming where quick, complex inputs are common. The brand claims it carries out instructions quickly and precisely, which is exactly what you want from a mechanical keyboard. It's presented as a perfect fit for both office and home use, suggesting a versatility that's appealing. The material is listed as polybutylene terephthalate, which is indeed PBT, a good sign for keycap quality. It comes with a USB cable and is described as ambidextrous in hand orientation, though that's a bit of a standard for keyboards. The unit count of 10.5822 ounces suggests it's not overly heavy, which could be good or bad depending on your preference for keyboard heft. Overall, the NEWNAN mechanical keyboard seems to offer a compelling package. The combination of Cherry MX switches, PBT keycaps, and an ergonomic design makes it a strong contender for anyone looking for a reliable and comfortable typing and gaming solution. It appears to be a solid choice for those who value both performance and comfort in their peripherals.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.